Welcome back. Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss simultaneous equation. Solving up simultaneous equation, there are many methods of solving up simultaneous equation. First method of elimination by substitution. In this method, we get the value of any variable from given two equation. That value obtained in step 1 put in the any other equation, we get the value of known value of the any variable from the second equation. This known variable put in first equation, we get the variable of the other. Thus we get the value of two variables. First, given example 2x minus 3y equal to 7. First equation. Second, 5x plus y equal to 9. From equation second, we get the value of variable y in term of x, y equal to 9 minus 5x. This is the equation of third. This is step first. Substitute the value of this variable y in equation 1. 2x minus 3 in the place of y, 9 minus 5x equal to 7. 2x minus 3 into 9 minus 27 plus minus 3 into 5 plus 15x equal to 7. 2x plus 15x, 17x equal to 7 plus 27, 17x equal to 34. The x, therefore x equal to 2. This is the value of variable, known variable x. This value of variable x put in equation third. This is the third step. Substitute the value of x, known value of x in equation third. Y equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. Value of x, y equal to 9 minus 5 to the 10. Y equal to minus 1. X equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. This is the answer of this question. Now comment example 2. X by 6 plus y by 15 equal to 4, equation 1. X by 3 minus y by 12 equal to 4, whole 3 by 4, or x by 3 minus y by 12, you made it right. 4 4 ja 16 plus 3 19 by 4. From equation 2, LCM of 3 and 12, 4x minus y equal to 19 by 4, 4 3 ja 12, 4x minus y equal to 3 into 19, 4x minus y equal to 57. Y equal to 4x minus 57. This is the first step to get the variable of any variable in the term of other. Variable of y in the term of x, you can say. Substitute the value of this variable of y in equation 1. X by 6 plus 4x minus 15 in the place of y upon 15 equal to 4. Taking LCM 6 and 15, 35x plus 2, 4x minus 15 upon 30 equal to 4. 5x plus 8x minus 114 equal to 13 to 4. 13x equal to 120 plus 114. 13x equal to 234. X equal to 234 upon 13. X equal to 18. Substitute the value of this known value of x in equation third. Y equal to 4 into value of x 18 minus 57, y equal to 15. Answer x, we get the value of x 18 and y equal to 15. Now come on, example third. 1.5x plus 0.1y equal to 6.2. This is equation 1. Second, 3x minus 0.4y equal to 11.2. This is the second equation. From equation second, 3x equal to 11.2 plus 0.4y, or x equal to 11.2 plus 0.4y upon 3. Put the value of x in equation 1. This is elimination method. 1.5 into 11.2 plus 0.4y in the place of x upon 3 plus 0.1y equal to 6.2. 3 5 jar 15, 0.5, 11.2 into 0.5, 5.6 plus 0.2 y plus 0.1 y equal to 6.2. On opening, this 0.3 y 6.2 minus 5.6, 0.3 y equal to 0.6 y equal to 2. Put this value y in equation third, x equal to 11.2 plus 0.4 into 2 upon 3. X equal to 11.2 minus 0.8 upon 3. X equal to, this become here x equal to 0.2 थर्ड इक्वेशन y in equation 2 you may here 3x minus 0.4 into this value y2 equal to 11.2 3x minus 0.8 equal to 11.2 3x equal to 11.2 plus 0.8 3x equal to 12.0 x equal to 4. Answer x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. Please you solve the given exercise 6.1 6.6a कितने मिनट का होगा